Hola! We made it. We are here at Le Blanc. We finally got into our room. So of course, we are going to give you a room tour. We are in the Junior Suite. So let's take a look of what this room is. First up is actually right here. So this room is a little bit of a different kind of configuration because it's on the corner. So the closet is right when you walk in. So you'll see you have closet space. They have the robes. Not a ton of closet space, but I would say enough. And let's keep going. Woo! So one of the most amazing things about this room is that you have a double view. So you have a view of the lagoon, and then you have a view of the ocean. But we're gonna get to that in a minute. Let's look in the bathroom first, okay? All right, beautiful. I love that it's all white, it's clean. Now there's just a single sink. I usually like the double sinks, but it's really pretty. They have different amenity boxes for you. They have a hair dryer, and they also have a flat iron, which is great. So, and then let's see what's behind this door. Oh, the toilet. So they do have the separate toilet. And then over here is the jacuzzi tub with a view of the lagoon. And then the shower. You get a nice little beach bag. Now this is nice. The zip bag, definitely very nice. Now over here you do have some drawer space. If you wanted to use some of the drawers. They have a whole like wet bar, I would call it. And let's show you what is here. So we have coffees. So we're gonna have some of that definitely in the morning. We have snacks. Woohoo! And then there is the mini bar with sodas and waters and seltzer. And then, now this area does open up. More drawer space here if you want it. They have a desk with aromatherapy. I wonder what this is. Oh, like a little desktop. And very sophisticated. And then out here. Now they consider this partial ocean view. I consider this ocean front. This is a full ocean view in my mind. This is amazing. We were so happy that we upgraded to this room. So on tips on how to upgrade when you get to the resort, make sure you check out our full honest review that we do of LeBlanc, and we show you some of those amazing sunrise and sunset views as well. You also get a butler assigned to your room. So I would say it's more like a concierge
not a personal butler because they are assigned to the entire floor, but they do really help elevate the experience. So they can do anything from unpacking your bags, they can bring you bath salts and soaps. We requested that the refrigerator be stocked with only the things that we like, which is basically just seltzer water and regular water and a little juice. And he did that. And then even one night, I was having trouble with the room service app, and they have on the app, they have a texting feature. So someone was able to help me right away. So it really does help elevate the experience in the room for sure. They also clean your room daily, which I know some resorts are getting away from, after COVID. And Ismael did an amazing job. So our room was spotless every single 24-hour room service is included with your stay. And don't mind my look here. It was a long day of traveling. Now, I would suggest going with the breakfast. We went with some of the evening options, and it was just average. But the breakfast is definitely better. But you order everything through the app, and we were having some issues, but we just contacted the butler. He put our order in, and the food came, I would say, in like 30 to 45 minutes. At night, that they would come around, knock on your door, and bring you specialty chocolates, and they were different every single night. So that was definitely a special little touch. And they have a lot of little touches like this at this resort. One thing I did love about the rooms is that this room was so quiet. So I don't know if it was just the location or what it was, but you didn't hear anything. And usually at different resorts, you're hearing different noises or door slamming and things like that. So I loved that it was private and quiet. And just a few little downsides with the room. Now, in this room category, even though we had those beautiful double views, the configuration led to like an odd layout in the bathroom and then also having the closet up front. And it also lacked space to put away clothing. It didn't affect us because we don't, travel for that long. But if you're going to stay there for a lot longer, you might be running into a lack of closet space and drawer space. And then overall, I would say the downsides with the rooms in this resort is that they do lack room categories such as swim up suites or the two-story rooms, and very few rooms have balconies. Ours was one of the few that did. So it's just something to consider, especially if you're going to be going on a honeymoon or a special occasion or something like that. We will be uploading more videos about LeBlanc over the coming weeks, so make sure you like and subscribe and keep following us.